Transforming your outdoor space into a personal oasis is not just about aesthetics. It's about creating an environment that reflects your lifestyle, invites relaxation, and extends the comforts of home into the open air. Whether you have a sprawling backyard, a compact patio, or even a small balcony, the journey to your dream DIY outdoor space begins with thoughtful planning, creative vision, and a touch of hands-on effort. First, start by envisioning how you want to use your outdoor area. Is it a place for summer barbecues and lively gatherings, a tranquil retreat for reading and meditation, or perhaps a versatile space that can adapt to your changing needs? Take a moment to list your priorities, such as seating, dining, gardening, or play areas for children and pets. Knowing your goals will guide every decision, from furniture selection to lighting choices. Next, assess your space with a critical eye. Measure the area, noting any permanent features like trees, fences, or existing structures. Consider the amount of sunlight and shade, as these factors will influence your plant choices and the comfort of your seating areas. Sketch a rough layout, marking out zones for different functions: dining, lounging, cooking, or gardening. Even a small balcony can be divided into distinct nooks with the clever use of planters, screens, or outdoor rugs. Now comes the fun part: infusing your space with personality and comfort. Start with seating. For a cozy lounge vibe, consider weather-resistant sofas, hammocks, or even a collection of floor cushions. If you're working with a tighter budget or smaller space, DIY benches made from wooden pallets can be both affordable and stylish. Layer cushions and throws in weatherproof fabrics to add color and texture, making the space inviting year-round. Dining outdoors is one of life's simple pleasures. A sturdy table and chairs, either purchased or built from reclaimed materials, can anchor your dining zone. Don't be afraid to mix and match styles for a relaxed, eclectic look. Folding furniture is a smart solution for compact spaces, allowing flexibility as your needs change. Bringing nature into your outdoor haven is essential. Container gardens, vertical planters, and hanging baskets are ideal for adding greenery and flowers, even if ground space is limited. Choose plants suited to your climate and sunlight conditions. Herbs, succulents, and native blooms are low-maintenance favorites. If you enjoy growing your own food, try raised vegetable beds or compact herb gardens near the kitchen door for easy access. Lighting transforms outdoor spaces, setting the mood from dusk to dawn. String lights draped overhead create a magical, festive ambiance, while lanterns and solar-powered path lights enhance safety and showcase landscaping features. For an intimate glow, cluster candles or LED lanterns on tables and along pathways. Don't forget the finishing touches that make the space uniquely yours. Outdoor rugs define zones and add softness underfoot. Weatherproof art, wind chimes, and decorative screens add personality and privacy. If you crave the soothing sound of water, a DIY fountain or small pond can be a focal point and attract local wildlife. Finally, sustainability and maintenance should always be considered. Opt for eco-friendly materials, use rain barrels to collect water for your plants, and choose native species that thrive with minimal intervention. Regularly clean and store cushions during inclement weather, and refresh wood surfaces with sealant or paint as needed. Creating your dream DIY outdoor space is a process of imagination, experimentation, and gradual transformation. Begin with a vision, adapt as you go, and remember that even the smallest changes, new planters, a fresh coat of paint, or a cozy throw, can make a world of difference. Ultimately, your outdoor retreat will become a cherished extension of your home, a place where memories are made, and every day feels just a little bit more special.